god, the vent of this computer, I already scraped off most of it, but look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. It hooks on like this. Look at all that. Oh my god. So, look at that. I took out a bunch of it. And I'm gonna have to blow it out. Throw that away. Shield your ears. Okay, I'm gonna have to take this out and clean it up more, but there was a lot of dust in here and I cleaned that out. So, see you guys later. Bye. This is what it looks like all cleaned up. Clean the bottom with the power supply as well. Cleaned in the GPU fans. I should have showed the before, it was really bad. Cleaned in there. There, is that dust? What is that? I don't know what that thing is, but it didn't come out. What is that thing? Focus on that. I don't know what that is. Something's growing in there. I don't know. I'll try and blow it out, but I don't know if it's coming out. Did a direct air blast to it, both sides. It's still there. I don't know what that is. Something's growing in there. I don't know. Is it coming out? Can't even poke it out with my finger. What is that? I don't know what that stuff is. It doesn't come out. It moved, I think. Let me get a tool to get in there. Alright, can I get it out with some tweezers? Kind of. What is that? I don't know what that is. Some kind of fluff. Alright, I'm gonna get it all out and I'll be back. I did the best I could. It doesn't want to come out. So, that's that. Alright. See you guys later. Bye.